How to set a calorie goal on MyFitnessPal. So, first of all, open up MyFitnessPal application and then log in to your account. Once you're logged into your account, you can simply tap on the More button at the very screen and then select Goals. After that, inside here, you have to go ahead and open Calorie and Micro Goals. And just like that, if you see recommended calories, you may need to turn that option off before entering a custom calorie target. Enter the calorie target you would like to use and save your changes if prompted. Remember, MyFitnessPal normally calculates a calorie target using information from your profile and weight goals. If you're following a calorie target provided by a doctor or registered dietitian, you can use your recommended number here. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.